yan parents? Parents o jowa yung iba dyan?
Jowa.
So for today's video, I'm very excited because I'm going for a flight. So I'm going to domestic sectors for today. But after my flight, I will be picking up my parents from the airport as well because tomorrow is going to be our graduation day. So after training in Asia is very generous. This is the first time that my parents are going to be able to attend my graduation. So in my previous airline, we also do have graduation, but however, my first airline, they weren't able to attend my graduation. For my second graduation, it was held in the Middle East, so it was very far. This time, of course, AirAsia is very generous and they give our parents actually free round-trip tickets so that they can attend our graduation. So I will be doing today Langkawi and Johor Bahru, and I was able to pick up my sister from the airport the day before. Actually, she went for another airline. Thank you so much for our sponsor, Ate May. And actually, yeah, my other sister, Ate May, as you saw on my video, she will not be able to attend my graduation, unfortunately, because she is currently on her promotion training. So congratulations actually for her promotion. The thing is, she doesn't have a day off, so she cannot come over. But I'm so happy because my other sister is here and she can also come to the Red Queue, and tomorrow I'll be able to bring all of you to Red Queue. Yeah, she's covering her face. She's so shy. She just woke up. Woke up like this. So tomorrow you will see her also. So now I'm going already for the flight, and I hope I have a nice flight. See you later. So yes, now I'm going for the flight. I'm really happy because my accommodation here in AirAsia Malaysia is very near the airport. It's like almost 15 minutes and everything is available around the area. So everywhere I go, this is my requirement when it comes to choosing the accommodation. It must be near the airport and everything must be available. And so now we're here at the gate. We usually wait here to ensure the on-time performance. And look at these beautiful ladies I'm flying with today. Hi!
Feeling block.
Hey! The crew has arrived!
Ang bagong bayani. She's the only Filipino crew in that Manila flight. So we just arrived. It means Momsi and Kuya matagal pa. Konti na lang ang kanilang options. Hi guys! Oh, very helpful. Charet. So mag-iisa na lang itong beer na gano'n. The rest is I think like cookies. I like this one with chocolate. You can see. Yes! So all of us arrived already.
Talaga nakahintay talaga dito.
Yes, lahat kami. We're here and we're all excited. Actually, they're already standing. No, they just arrived, so most likely.
Pero lahat yung may baggage, matagal pa talaga yan.
Yes. See. Lahat ba yan parents? Parents o jowa yung iba dyan?
Jowa.
Hindi na.
Ate ko yung jowa ko. Sana ko.
Oh?
Ate ka, hindi ba nag-chat pa sila? Feeling ko malapit na sila, be.
Be, matagal pa yan, be.
Let's do the practice. With the parents?
Gisele. Mano po.
Mano po like this. Yes, like this. Like this.
Sayang.
Like this, Mano. Yeah, like that.
Yeah.
Like this. Yeah. What's the name?
Huh?
What's the name?
Of your parents.
Tita Beng. Tita Beng. You know Tita Beng. Mommy Beng.
Mami. Nay. Nay agad. Nay.
No, listen to us, Daniel. It's good for the mom that you call mommy.
Already.
Gago sabi mo sa akin kanina gago
Diyan na jowa.
Nagbe-briefing ka. What time did you know
Jowa
gago?
mo.
I saw you guys in the morning, right?
Yeah, just landed.
Yes, waiting. Sila.